Baserow provides visual representation of data. The form view is your go-to solution for easy data collection. Forms allow you to gather information from various sources or individuals in a systematic way. In this video, we'll cover how to create and effectively use forms in Baserow. You'll learn how to customize the form fields, form conditions, and prefill and share forms. Within this business conference event database, let's create a table to collect attendee details for the event. Because this is a new table, we have these default fields. I'll go ahead to customize the fields to ensure that we collect the right information ahead of the event. Particularly, we want to know the name, email, attendee type, company, and event the respondent wants to attend. So, we'll use a range of field types for single line text to email and link to table field type. Now that we have our table with fields, let's create a form view. Select Form, and then you'll be prompted to input a descriptive name. Select the permission type as collaborative. This allows multiple workspace members to work simultaneously on the same view, making updates and changes in real time. The fields are visible on the left-hand side, so you don't need to start from scratch. To add fields to this form, select individual fields or use the Add All link. If you need to remove a field, select it and click the eye icon. You can also create new fields by clicking on Add Field. Baserow's Form Builder allows you to customize the layout and design of your forms to match your specific needs and branding requirements. You can add or remove fields, rearrange their order to create a tailored data collection experience. First, let's enhance our form's appearance by adding a logo and a cover image to align with our overall brand identity and make this form instantly recognizable to our audience. Now let's look at the form fields in detail. You can change the field names and add description for clarity. Clear field names and descriptions help your respondents understand the purpose and content of each field without confusion. We'll add descriptions to each field to provide context and guidance so users can easily understand what type of information belongs to each field. We know that attendees are allowed to attend more than one presentation, so let's show the event field as multiple. Now let's look at form conditions. Conditional logic in forms are like smart rules that control field visibility based on user input. Let's set up a condition to show the company field only when the attendee type is company representative. Now, let's decide what happens after a respondent submits the form. After submission, you can show a custom message or redirect users to a specific URL and opt to receive notification on submission. This is your chance to create a personalized experience for the respondent. With Form View, you can choose between Form and Survey modes. Form mode displays all fields at once, while Survey mode shows one field at a time. Before sharing the form, take a moment to preview it to ensure everything looks perfect for your users. Baserow offers options to generate a shareable link or embed the form on a website. Baserow will provide you with a URL that you can distribute to others. This link allows anyone with the URL to access and fill out the form. So you can generate private shareable links, refresh URLs for added security, or restrict access with a password. You have full control. Embedding your form using an iframe is a versatile way to share your form to a wider audience. Once you've generated the shareable link and configured the permissions, you can share the link via email, social media, or any other communication method you prefer. With the prefilling feature, you can use prefill parameters in the URL of the form to prefill specific fields, making fields even more powerful. For example, if we want to send this form to employees in a company, we can assume that they are all company representative. So let's view the attendee type. You can even hide or show specific fields dynamically. All submitted data will create new rows in the table, easily accessed at the bottom of the grid view. And that's it. You are now equipped to create and manage forms in Baserow. So whether it's an event registration, data collection, customer feedback, survey responses, project updates, or any other type of data relevant to your workflow, Baserow's Form View has got you covered.